Hi friends, and welcome back to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and you've met me many times before. I'm helping you learn the 44 English sounds. It seems like a really tough order, I know, but don't worry, you're doing great, so don't give up. The sound that we're going to be learning today is the sound M. That sound again, M. Now the sound M can be found in words like make, man, and must. Those words again, make, man, and must. Now your turn. Perfect! They're sounding great. The sound M is voiced and a consonant sound. It's also known as a bilabial nasal. A new one, right? Don't worry, it's really easy. A bilabial nasal means that we produce the sound by keeping the lips together to block the sound out, but taking it up through the nose while using our vocal cords to create that buzz. Ready? Okay. So, we keep those lips together. Start vibrating those vocal cords. And as you open the mouth, you're taking it through the nose. Are we ready? M. M. Now, don't worry if you need to start by flaring your nostrils, just so that you remind yourself that the air is trying to go through the nose, okay? Ready? M. M. And those words again? Make, man, must. Perfect. Now the sounds M are quite a different sound because you're using your nose, but they can be found in loads of different words. So make, man, and must have the sound M at the beginning. Words like family and woman have the M sound in the middle. There's also a really cool word called summer. Summer. Can you tell why that's cool? Okay, maybe not cool, but a little bit different. That's because it has the sound M doubled in the middle of it. Some. Some. Now your turn. Perfect. Words like from and them have the M sound at the end. Go on, I dare you to think of some more. Don't forget to keep on practicing and don't go giving up. You're doing brilliantly. I'll see you next time and keep on learning with your fantastic Linguizer mobile app. The chance for you to learn those English phrases really easily and really quickly. Bye!